We are here at the Holiday Inn Sparks and Suites here in Ocala. And check this out. We have some Schindler 3300s. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, we're at 33s. Very exciting, not. It's a nice hotel. Why? Why is this fun at the panel? What if I want to get a review of the, stupid certificate? Anyway, just a basic stainless steel cap with nice carpet. FIGS fixtures. It's definitely interesting to see the carpet in the middle. Haven't seen it in a while. There's this other one here. About the same thing as the other one, but yeah, hand sanitizer. Yeah, turn around here. Alright, let's go up to 4. Scared the Jesus out of me. 2,500. Yes, there MRL. It is kind of similar to the other one. Like stainless steel cam. Nice carpet. FIGS. The works. And there were one. Oh. Let me turn around here. And there you have it. Those are the elevators here. And I guess that is going to be it for me.